Bukan lihat sungai.
PITX bus. Kaya PITX? PITX? Okay. Meron. PITX. Hello mga kasenyor, today we are here in Tuguegarao and today we will be trying the newly opened Tuguegarao to PITX bus route. So we're going to take the Victory Liner from Tuguegarao to PITX. So join me as we share with you our experience on riding this newly opened bus route from Tuguegarao to PITX. Let's go! Just arrived dito sa highway. We took a tricycle from where we're staying. So you might as well have Jollibee breakfast dito sa Jollibee. Malapit lang naman sa paskat ng Victory Liner. Doon. Katapos sa Rotonda. Tara, Jollibee muna. Okay, bida ang saya. Jollibee breakfast. Dito sa Tuguegarao, magkatabi talaga ang Jollibee at McDo. Yan, tinakpan pa ni Jollibee yung signage ni McDo. Jollibee spaghetti muna habang naghihintay na natin na itong lakba. Bakit pa naman? Ganda ang sarap. Breakfast at Jollibee now. It's time to walk to the Victory Liner station. It's about 300 meters from the Rotonda or about 5-minute walk. Kaya natin yan. So doon lang naman sa after Robinson. A new installation here at the Rotonda. Still installation. I don't know kung yan. So now to the bus station. Here you can also get a taxi here in Tuguegarao. Now on to the Victory Liner station. Robinsons, and then a little few meters more is the Victory Liner bus terminal. Victory Liner. So,
Bukan lihat sungai.
we bought our tickets to PITX. I'll show you the schedules here. Ito. From PITX to Tuguegarao and from Tuguegarao to PITX. These are the schedules and also these are the price. So senior discount for senior citizen. So these are the schedules from the Tuguegarao terminal. You can go to Sampaloc, Mamias, Caloocan, Pasay, but we're taking the bus to PITX. So we're still waiting for the 9 a.m. bus to PITX. This is the waiting area. They have a very nice restroom and very comfortable waiting area. I think today yung bus natin going to PITX Pasay. Bus. That one in front. PITX bus. Kaya PITX? PITX? Okay. Meron. PITX. PITX. Seat number 5. Okay. Number 5. Okay, dito tayo. Seat number 5. This one. Okay. Going to PITX. It's 8:45, so travel time is about 12 hours. So it will leave around 9 o'clock and we'll probably arrive in PITX around 9 p.m. Ooh. Then tomorrow we're going to Baguio. This is the deluxe bus of Victory Liner going to PITX. Very convenient. Very long leg room, so very comfortable, and we have a charging station, and the seats are nicely done, and there is a CR inside, you know. So we'll soon be leaving. It's 8:33. Our departure time is supposed to be 9 a.m. The Victory Liner bus going to PITX. So this bus is actually going all the way to PITX. So we're passing through Pasay Terminal, and they just recently opened, I think last September, the PITX to Tuguegarao line. So if you wish to buy tickets from Tuguegarao at PITX, you can find them, I think, on the number 5 ticketing booth number 5. So just go there and book your ticket to Tuguegarao. I'd like to show you our experience in buying our ticket to Tuguegarao, but this time is for the sleeper bus, but it's available on the same ticketing booth. So here it is. Yeah, we're buying this ticket already, and senior gets 20% discount as usual. Leaving Tuguegarao. The Tuguegarao station right in front of Mahanaga Highway, roughly around 1.5 kilometers or less than 1 kilometer from the city center. This is Robinson's Tuguegarao, right next to Victory Liner. PITX. mga gustong kumain. So, gusto pa naman tayo doon ng Jollibee tayo. Just see ko at meron dito. So, the bus made a big stop over here in Mawindi. It's a big stop, but busog pa naman tayo. So, we decided time. Next stop over will be around sa may Aritaw daw. So, probably we'll take our lunch there at the time. Let's just enjoy the sun here in Mawindi. Highway, Maharlika Highway.
Bababa po ng Ilagan. Ilagan na po.
Banana chips kayo dyan, banana mani oh. Banana chips kayo dyan, mani.
Dalawa.
Managay nasa ano siyang may itlog, may kaluluto lang oh. Madam, may itlog, may chicken. 20 lang may isa. So,
stop over here, I think Solano or Santiago. Satsuma. Very popular here in Nueva Vizcaya. Satsuma orange. 50 pesos. What's up? This sinigang, 80 pesos, and rice, 30 pesos. Pasta food. Banana. Ano? Ano sa papakain na? Hot dog and barbecue. 20 pesos. We order that. finally arrived at PITX. So finally arrived at PITX. Time check, it's 11:49. Almost 15 hours yung time bumiyahe. From Tuguegarao to PITX. Here we are at PITX. Kasi kung may masakit pa tayo. So almost 12 midnight. So mukhang yung tinahalas itong PITX. Bus going to Tagaytay and bababa tayo sa Pilipinas. Bus na nagpapabas. Hello mga kasenyor, finally we got home. It's already 1:05 in the morning. We just arrived from a 15-hour bus ride from Tuguegarao in Cagayan to PITX in Parañaque. So this is a newly opened route of Victory Liner. Now it's very convenient for us people in the south to travel north through PITX. We were in Tuguegarao for several days, actually only two nights, and we were able to explore. So after that, we decided to return home using the Victory Liner bus going to PITX. Coming to Tuguegarao, we used the sleeper bus, but we decided maybe we were not very happy with the sleeper bus because it's very tight and we found it very difficult to sleep. But with the ordinary bus, deluxe bus of Victory Liner, we slept better. So the bus station is actually located along the Maharlika Highway, maybe about 1.5 kilometers from the city center of Tuguegarao. It's conveniently located, so as soon as we arrive in Tuguegarao, we already bought our ticket, return ticket. The PITX Tuguegarao fare is 1,213, but as a senior, we got 20% discount. So we paid only 970 for the deluxe bus. So the bus actually has a very good leg room. We were able to stretch, so it's very easy for us to fall asleep. The bus also have a CR, a Wi-Fi, and a charging port. So I think the only difference is that this time we decided to take a day trip, a day trip. So if you're going on instead of the night trip, I think you spend more time because the area, the whole Maharlika highways, many parts are already heavy with traffic. So instead of the 12 hours that we had in the sleeper bus, it took us now more than 15 hours. But it gave us the opportunity to look at the many beautiful views along the way. So there were several stops, two meal stops actually, one in Tumawini and another one in Aritao, wherein we had a late lunch of sinigang and rice, which cost us around 110 pesos. But along the way, we were able to buy some some snacks like boiled egg or ice cream or boiled banana, popcorn, chicharon, even barbecue. So I enjoy this time of trip because it allows me to really taste the local flavors of the places that where the bus make the stops. So that's it. So there is now a new PITX Tuguegarao route, and you can get your tickets from PITX or from any of the terminals of Victory Liner. So if you're going to Tuguegarao, why not try this new route from PITX? With that, I'd like to thank you very much for watching this vlog. Travel while you can. Until our next vlog, see you soon.